Almost stop. I call it shorty from reality. I love you all for stopping by on my channel. Chai, if I be musician, I don't go buy my music, oh, I swear. Nobody go listen. Don't say that mad woman, that crazy man. Come on, leave that music. Come on, pause that music. Come on, move that music. What is wrong with you? You don't see the band, you don't see T.Y. Savage, you don't see better people listen to the music. And this quack woman. Winter, if you like, you go boutique, go buy €100 sweater. Now jackets, you go see take cover them. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm so happy and excited having you on my collection series. Please do not forget to subscribe to Reality with Boss Mom. Guys, before I show you this last fashion of my winter collection, okay, summer collection 3, and I know say una don dey wait for the video since then. Okay, tell you that they say I will show you how I take get my clothes without you not killing yourself for winter. Okay, I think the collection will end here. Yeah, thank you so much. If you have been watching, thank you so much. Tell me your favorite color, your favorite collections, everything. Just tell me on the comment section. So why killing yourself as a mom? And I even prefer to buy expensive things for my children past me. I carry expensive things for myself, so I feel buy new things for them while I buy first grade okay for myself. Okay, so I will carry you go where I for buy things. I say organize the things. I'll show you the place. I'm not show you their name because they're not giving money make I advertise for them. I just want to tell you, so you feel look for first class store where they say first class okay, we say like original one type of okay, but you go be first grade. We say if to say you suppose buy that clothes for new one like €100, you feel buy like €20 or €30, you understand, depend, or if you will buy €15, depend on your luck on that faithful day. So now, so I love and appreciate you all. God bless you all. Please help your girl by sharing her videos. Follow her on her Instagram. My Instagram is bossmom_TV show. bossmom_TV show. Okay, 1. Yeah, bossmom_TV show 1. So that's what just said. And also my Facebook page, bossmom TV show. My YouTube, Reality with Bossmom. So I am super excited having you on this collection series. So that's what it be. So I will show you how I organize that my winter collection. I know they form. No, say this channel. We know they fake cam. We they talk about it be. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain your box mom. I remain your Reality with Boss Mom. I'm not gonna fake on show you say now one big boutique I for buy them. No, maybe as a mom you be YouTuber like me. You they shame to show say you branch okay store. No worry. Even the celebrities where you know that you wear okay. In here them now okay some of their clothes be, so no form, no worry. Just showcase your winter collection the way you like them and the way you fit. That is it. They go to the store now to show you how I organize them. You know, I did with my daughter, and I don't know whether I'll make video of the full store, but I will show you some price. This is some price and how I get them. Then you go see the rest collection. And hope say you don't subscribe, and hope say you remember this boots. Now remember this boots now for the first collection, which you go see for the video now. Yes, this boot I believe say if not store he maybe I go spend like let's say 120. Yeah, now original made, guys, original, as you see I'm there now, original made shoe, maybe like 120 or 150, but I got it at the rate of I think €38. Yes, €38 now to get them for the place, €38, and it was so nice. You see and if to say I still get them €15 for happy, because that day I want leave them, but just because of the quality and the name where they call the shoe, that's okay, me I could buy them. I hope say you go enjoy this collection 3 of my winter collection, and I hope say you subscribe to my channel. Now make it real what they do for this channel. I know they fake my lifestyle. All right, make you go see Nigeria with they call her better select. So see you on my next video. I love you. Nigeria with they call her better select. You know, if you dey show the market, just show the then who they sell am go bed down there, they say come buy 10 bed down select to 350 200 400 na so it be. Oh yeah, now let's go guys and I show you how I take get everything for my winter collection. You see inside, very okay. Okay guys,
wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing we go. We'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing
you see this other side.
We've got the melody.
Final. Yeah, it's for the Christmas. Oh yeah, let's go, guys. It's fine, no, it's beautiful. You like the Christmas? Maybe this would be nice to see. Yeah. Let me see.
Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing
This like just the same thing like the other one where I do just now. Cold, bad. Okay, my fashionista myself, so you can see how to. Okay, you see the sweater now? They are all nice, guys. It's more assume I won't go out now, right? Let's go.
wherever we go. We'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah.
guys. This one are the other black top of just now. Okay. Chai guys, now so winter bio you go pack everything put for body because you don't want cold. You don't want feel cold. And if care not taking gas the weather go they reach these things why we are now you still have to wear thick jacket on top. Una the cold not be child's play or not be children play, guys. So guys, I dey try to fashion my necktie or what they call am sef. I don't forget what Italy they call am. You understand, to cover your neck, make coat for not enter your neck side and all of that. So I dey try to be my fashionista for now, make I dey fashion myself, make una see, unless assume say I dey go hard how I go take dress and all of that for the winter. Na so it be. Okay guys, I be want make this video I be want show na things so I be want do, like go store, do everything, but I can't look and see already this one now 14 minutes. If I say make a hard journal, it go day too long and you know go day enjoyable. At least nothing like 10 minutes video, 14 minutes, even 14 minutes serve too long at times. At least 10 minutes video. And for me, we like money, you understand. If I see split time, go make me get more money. You see, I too like money. So make you stay cool, make you follow me, watch the continuation of the store, the price and everything. If so you want to see more, okay, make you follow me, make you stay cool for my channel. You go see for the next video where they come up. Okay guys, make I leave una, make una watch una girl, una baby girl, una Madam Box Mom, they star herself. So as I they laugh, they smile like say get jackpot or money where they give me. God. Okay. Oh my God, cause it's sweat. How they suffocate for here because all these things they hold cold well. So I'm done. I think we have tried this, right? Well, it's also the same thing.
Wherever we go.
Just the same thing as the black one and the other one where I tried. So this is the last one, guys. I was not even able to count, but I'll count her now to know how many clothes we try. Okay. This one I don't wear them for one of my this thing video what I do. TikTok, yeah, one of my TikTok video I do. I don't wear this one. Okay, this one is just okay guys. This is the last sweater to try. Okay, hope you like them. This last one not like bala bala. Like say I won't fly, you see I'm now. So this is the last one, guys, and I hope you like it. This is the last one. Now next, this one just be this one my inside room. You'll feel around for this time inside room. Okay, so that is it for washing. Okay, this is the last part of this video and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me change up, guys.